How can politics provide for our need for belonging? I think for all of us, the way that God made us, we were made for relationships. We were made to connect with other people. And so, what politics can do is get us connecting with people who think like us, who maybe even look like us, who have the same belief. And so, we can group. And from that group, we can build an identity because we belong to that group. We can build a sense of belonging because we belong to that group. Now, at its worst, it can bring us to places that I think often we see today, tribalism, our camp, their camp, us being right, them being wrong. Well, the truth is that all of us have some right and some wrong in us. And getting to a place of understanding whereas the weaknesses of our positions is a very good place to go. Unfortunately, so many today who want to just focus on what's wrong with that other group. And you can get involved with other people, media that will reinforce false thinking. And even to fuse at its worst, begin to believe lies and to spread lies, things that are not true. What does God want to do? Well, what he does is he brings that need for unity and connection through his son, Jesus Christ. The need for righteousness comes not from what we do, but rather what God has done. And the need for connection is still there. He brings us together, and that's called the church. And in the church, we have this need met for relationships. Paul talks about it in Ephesians chapter 4, verse 3. He says, be eager to maintain the unity of peace, the bond of peace, the unity of the Spirit. God brings people together in community to a place where we can understand differences at our best, and a place where we practice forgiveness for when we miss the mark. But in any case, that need is met. Hey, I want to know what you think. How do you see politics providing people a sense of belonging and to provide for this basic need? There are other places you can get this too. Politics just seems to be popular nowadays. Let me know in the comments below. Hey, if you felt this video to be helpful for you, press like, subscribe, and follow. We put out 2 for the curious a week. If this issue on the need to belong or belonging and Christianity and politics would help some of your friends on your friends list, and if you share it, what God wants to do in their life, I would encourage you to do so. But in any case, as we say, salam alaikum, la paz de dias en tu viaje, God's peace be with you on your journey.